Hey everybody, Jacob Kurtenbach here. I'm going to make a blended turmeric beverage. Here we are, we've got turmeric and we've got some raw cashews here, unsalted, pepper and cinnamon. We also have some frozen bananas. And now, so you have hot water, and then if you have really, really hot water and you use the frozen bananas as well, if you like bananas, and don't put too many bananas or too many cashews in, it just makes it too thick. But like the right amount makes it really enjoyable. So I just like to do, 1 to 2 things of the banana here, and then cashew. I just kind of like to do a handful. Sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on what I'm feeling as far as the thickness. And then turmeric, I like a nice scoop of this here. Get that in there, and then some pepper, just a little bit of that, and some cinnamon. And then I've got my hot water here already, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. And I really want to let it blend a while, so working from lower to going up higher in order to have the blending fully go to have a smooth beverage. We're really wanting to have the nuts smooth, and I like to go to at about 9 and leave it there for a moment. So here we are. Put the lid on, it's very important. And then I usually just kick it off at 2. Then we turn it down and we are ready to go. So nice, simple, easy, warm beverage. It's really chopped off there. And it really helps to really rinse it off right away and then flip it upside down, because all of these things, once you get them in the Vitamix or whatever it is that you're using for a blender, it really helps to rinse it really quick. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy your beverages. It's so wonderful. And the right temperature, hot water, little banana, just really makes it nice and smooth and easy for going down, and it feels really good in the body too. The pepper helps to activate the turmeric, so very enjoyable. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, got so many other videos. You can check out ways that I've helped in the past with handyman stuff, and now bring it into the kitchen and in so many other places as well. Happy to continue to share. Hope you enjoyed. Adios.